The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 13 for more details.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a red flag warning for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Pike, Susquehanna, Wayne, and Wyoming. A red flag warning is in effect from 11 a.m. this morning until 8 p.m. this evening. Temperatures will again be unseasonably warm across the area today. A pocket of low humidities will move into northeastern Pennsylvania as southwest winds increase through the morning hours. Sustained west to southwest winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour can be expected, especially this afternoon. During the day, relative humidities will drop to near or below 30%. These weather conditions will combine with dry 10-hour fuels to create an increased danger of rapid fire spread today. Humidities will recover this evening to reduce fire weather conditions. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are occurring or will occur soon. A combination of warm temperatures, low humidity and strong winds will create explosive fire growth potential.